Hi everyone, my name's Max from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're going to take a look at this 2019 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100RR Factory. We're going to be scrolling through the listing on our website, which you can see for yourself by clicking the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching up the item ID we have posted in the top left corner. Let's get into it. To start off, this bike has 4,795 miles and does not pass New Hampshire state inspection, though will pass New York state inspection. Because what causes it to not pass New Hampshire state inspection, insufficient visibility on the rear turn signals, and improper mirror location and sizing, both of those things do not prevent it from passing New York state inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14.31 volts. We replaced the front tire with a new one, and we measured the rear tire tread depth at 430 seconds. We did not note any other mechanical concerns, and when we test drove this vehicle, we found it to run, shift, and handle properly with no abnormal sounds or vibrations. We published the service repair order on our bike so you can see exactly what we did to it and what we invested in it when we had it through the shop. On a bike of this age and mileage, we are going to point out anything we can see as flaws not caused by normal wear, and on this bike, we did not note anything. This bike comes with one key and comes equipped from the factory with ABS, traction control, cruise control, electronic suspension, and a quick shifter. It's been upgraded with an SC Project exhausts, CRG levers, Rizoma mirrors, an aftermarket rear fender eliminator kit, LED front and rear turn signals, and swing arm spools. This bike has a clear title, and we also provide a CycleCheck's vehicle history report so you can see all the details of that clear title. This bike does come with a warranty, a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty. Finally, we offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.